then I'll join you on the Minecraft world, okay? Oh, I need to pause that. Hey guys, this is part 3 on how to make a shooter game. Okay, get on to the project. Alrighty, last episode I said I was going to make new types of weapons that you can use. The first weapon that we are going to make is a shotgun. The shotgun we are going to make. So we have our shotgun parts. We just need to lower them down towards this and give them a slight angle on both sides. So alright, this is our shotgun type weapon. So now time to make it so that it changes what is selected. So we just need 2 ifs, and we need to have key 1, 2. Basically, this changes our sprite. To the shotgun. Whenever we make a new game, we always our thing to be selected as the normal thing. Basically, the shotgun, as a normal shotgun does, will fire a barrage of bullets, which if an enemy is unlucky to be touching, will instantly dissolve an enemy with. But let's make this thing work. So make a new variable called which gun. That's gun. And basically just set which gun to blank to pistol. And then we need to just move that there. I need to duplicate that one more time to put it there. Bam, bam, bam. Pistol, shotgun. Great. There we go, shotgun has been made. So basically, in this slide, this is where we're going to be making the different things. When we click our mouse down, we need 2 ifs to detect what weapon we have selected. If we have pistol selected, then we fire 1 bullet. Move this to there. The shotgun will fire 3 bullets. We first point towards the player, point towards the mouse pointer, create a bullet, and then we need to turn 15 degrees, then we need to turn the random amount of degrees, and then we need to go back towards the original direction. So we need direction. Make a block, name it create bullet. Run without screen refresh. Basically, this allows all the bullets to be created instantly. Basically, we just put that there, and basically, which direction, when we first do the shotgun, we need to set direction to, basically we set direction after we point it towards the mouse pointer, towards the direction of the bullet. And then we proceed to create the clone. And then the next step is we need to turn back. We need to turn backwards. Now, a pick random of 1 degree and 5 degree. Or, so basically this will be 1 degree or 10 degrees backwards. And then we just use point in direction, make sure, and then we need to create a clone right in between both of these. And then we need the other way, this, create clone. Oh, that's fine, because that's the wrong way. The shotgun is a random bullet type. Basically, you don't know which direction it's going to fire. It's 3 bullets. It's 3 bullets, if you're lucky, can destroy an entire wave by piercing through one enemy, and then the spread of the bullets immediately kill the next. The spread is completely random. The spread completely changes everything, since the spread allows the bullets to have like a delay in fires. If you fire a barrage of bullets, if there is a chance that one of the bullets might not touch the enemy anymore. And plus the spread will allow you to shoot multiple enemies at once. There we go. That's the shotgun. But if you want the shotgun to fire more bullets, then this is what we will do. Next step, 4 bullets for a shotgun. The shotgun shows 3 things, but let's just change it. That's real quick. Yes, into copy and paste. Then we need to move this. We need to move this side and this side. This rotates the same out. And then we need to move this upwards, and then we move this back, make it go back. Make sure that the thing is like a bit lower. Lower than that. Okay, shotgun has been changed. Now, time to make the bullet work again. We point towards mouse pointer, then we get the direction, and then we need to proceed to turn. If we're going to be making it a 4 bullet shotgun, we're going to need to make this spread. So, instead of using that, let's just make it create 4 bullets. You're too slow. now we still need the direction, so we still need to point towards mouse pointer to get the direction. And basically, this allows us to get our bullets. So look, each thing will have a if here, this and if else, so basically this will be a 1 in 2 chance. Basically this allows the bullets to pick random what it's going to be, which direction it's going to be going in, and then another pick random will say how far the spread is, which the spread will be be 0 and 10 degrees. And that is it. We just duplicate that. So now we need to point back into direction, and then we proceed to continue. Why is the shotgun not working? Alright, 1 second please. Why is this not working? It should be working. Okay, now that we've finally got the shotgun, there's been a bug going around. Whenever we hit an enemy, they stop moving. That's because it's waiting until they're no longer touching the bullet for it to continue moving. So we're going to have to put in a new type. This new spot runs the detection, so the enemy can continue walking. So you no longer can spam enemies, and they will just phase. They will just continue walking through the barrage bullets. As you can see right there, it does work. And if we do remove this, and we have this shotgun equipped, it becomes like a barrage of bullets. Basically, you fire like a ton of bullets, and any one enemy would survive, would instantly perish in it. And the only way for the the stronger enemies to die is if you were to stop touching them, and then if the bullets were to stop touching. Basically, this is basically a flamethrower making a barrage of bullets, but that could just be made by using a cone. But our next step in this episode is to try and make it that if an enemy touches multiple bullets, say like 2 bullets, it still takes their life downwards. So basically what's going on here, in the first place, is that the enemies are detecting that they're touching a bullet, but they're still waiting, and then they'll wait until that bullet is no longer touching them. What we could do is remove this and basically make it delete the bullet when a bullet touches an enemy, removing the piercing effect that the bullet has. But it also allows you to fire multiple bullets. That's one enemy. You want like a 0 seconds to make sure that the enemy registers that it's touching. So if we switch to the pistol and fire, as we could see that we fired multiple bullets, so we need to add this. Let's very quickly. Sometimes bullets kill an enemy very quickly. Sometimes it doesn't even damage enemy. Well, that's only if it touches an enemy and then for the bullet to no longer touch. Basically, this could be this RNG, this look could be, and sometimes an enemy dies before the bullet can get destroyed. Basically, this makes a mechanic. Some bullets, if you are at the right angle, you can kill an enemy instantly and deal lots of damage, and other times it deals no damage and the bullet just disappears. This RNG mechanic is useful in a way if you're in a danger spot, but it also is bad if you need all the bullets to damage an enemy. But we can just do a simple fix by adding a wait 0 seconds here too. Basically, this 0 seconds before each thing allows both things to register that they are doing, that the bullet, that something has happened. Allows the bullet to recognize and then the enemy to recognize. but there is still spots where you can shoot an enemy and it won't take damage. The bullet will evaporate, so you want to be firing on the enemy itself. But this does allow the shotgun to be more powerful. So it's now each and every single one of its bullets, if you're close by an enemy, as long as each bullet hits the enemy at a separate time, it will deal enough. It will deal the damage will be dealt be dealt correctly. So by removing this now adds like a delay between each shotgun bullet. But sometimes there might not be a big enough delay. So you might have to put in so if you want it to be very quickly, but good still, then you could just do this. See if this works. Bring up the shotgun. Each bullet is fired at a separate time, which is able to damage the enemy very nice and quick, but it might be a bit too much of a delay. So let's refix this. Let's fix that. And let's add a wait 0 seconds in between each bullet. Basically, this makes them wait before another before the kills to go. Basically, we just put this in between these. And at the very start. Place it down. It still works the same. Shotgun fires a nice barrage of bullets at the close enough time to each other, whilst giving the shotgun a nice effect. Now, if we again remove it on the new cleanup blocks again, I want it to be up there. And if we yet again remove this, and then click, we start firing a barrage of bullets that isn't as deadly because of the wait 0 seconds. This just adds a delay to each and every single bullet. If we remove each and every single delay of the bullets, the shotgun would yet again be as powerful and as deadly, but everything would be up to the player. But it'll be up for, and basically it'll still work as the normal shotgun for the flamethrower shotgun. Honestly, I like the flamethrower shotgun because how much it resembles fire. Because it fires a fire of bullets. A barrage of bullets that kind of acts like fire. And if we add a bullet to kill timer, yeah, that'll be fire. Anyway, that's this episode done. Thank you all for watching the next episode. See you all in the next episode. Bye!